Exams, projects, endless deadlines. Does learning always have to feel like a race? What if you had a coach who could explain concepts, help you brainstorm ideas, or even check your writing clarity instantly? AI can break complex topics into simple steps, improve your essays, spark creativity, and it never gets tired. When you learn with AI, you are not replacing teachers, you are amplifying your curiosity. The world rewards those who learn fearlessly. Start using AI as your personal coach. Subscribe to the Quantiq.